WORKXPLORE enables users to communicate 3D parts using a standalone lightweight application called Client Viewer. Here's a typical workflow. WORKXPLORE opens the assembly in step format. In this case, it's a drilling jig. Our user begins to inspect the assembly, and in doing so begins to create annotations of critical manufacturing dimensions. Here's one of WORKXPLORE's major features, animation, where the user brings the assembly to life by way of adding a variety of motions and movements. Animation can also check for collisions. As we wish to share not only the CAD model but also the data contained within, we now launch the Client Viewer. Client Viewer will create an executable file that can be opened by any workstation throughout the organization. The file can be password protected and will contain the animations. The resultant exe file, executable file, is launched. We are now inside Client Viewer. Further measurements can be created, clarifying those dimensions important to the viewer. A simple click and then place the dialog. Due to the intuitive interface, little or no training is required as WORKXPLORE uses standard window functionality. Cross sections can be created in all axis directions, and the profile section can also be viewed in a variety of ways. Render and wireframe and shading are all available. Multiple images of the file can be created and saved back as JPEG files. These can be distributed throughout the organization. The user can also understand more deeply the mechanical movements of the assembly, as the Client Viewer supports the animations that were created previously inside WORKXPLORE. Thank you for spending time with Hexagon's Client Viewer by WORKXPLORE.